So welcome to Microsoft Excel front page. This is just our Excel screen. As we know, the MS Excel is a spreadsheet package, majorly used for calculation. So we want to quickly do a description of our Microsoft Excel page. So the first thing we shall be talking about is this quick access toolbar right here at the top of our page. As we can see, this quick access toolbar automatically comes with 4 commands which help you to navigate through anything you want to do. It's like a shortcut to your menu bar. So you have the save button, you have the undo, and you have the redo. Should you want to have another one, maybe you want to open, you want to print, instead of going through the process of file, save, just come to your customize toolbar and access toolbar and click on any of the options you want. If I click on new, it's going to allow me to create a new spreadsheet, open an existing one. Then all these ones we call our menu bar. That means from the file, home, insert, page layout, format, data, review, and view. They were our menu bar. As you can see the description on the screen. So under this menu bar, we have a lot of commands that we can be using. And this menu bar is the one that has our ribbon. Without the menu bar, we may not be able to have the ribbon. It will show you what each bar contains. So in our classes, we shall be using them one after the other. We have the file menu bar. This one will allow you to open, to save, to print, just like a shortcut of the quick access. And your own bar will make you to edit your data, to format your data. On your insert bar, you can import pictures, table, charts. Then your page layout menu bar is meant for you to set your orientation of your page. And you may not see the effect of this one until you print out. You set the margins, the paper size, you select the type of paper you want, how you want the paper to be, either landscape or portrait. And we have our formula bar. This is the bar we come to when we want to do any calculations on Microsoft Excel. And on our data bar, we use this to sort our data alphabetically and also to import work from another application entirely, from Access or any other applications. Then we have your review. On this review bar, you can check your spellings, your English spellings, to see maybe they are right or wrong, because when you are working on Excel, automatically it will not tell you maybe your English is correct or not. But when you come to your review bar, then you can check your spelling. And also we can protect our worksheets and our workbook. And the view is how you want to view your page. Maybe you want it in a normal. This current view is a normal view on Microsoft Excel. We can have a page layout view that is going to give us in form of a page 1 or page 2. You can see the way it looks like on the screen. So by the time we move on, we shall be learning all those effects. Then coming to our ribbon, we can see this ribbon is under home bar, because when I click on it, it displays my ribbon. If I click on insert, it also displays all the ribbon that has to go with the insert. So, that is all about the ribbon. You will see our page in alphabet A, B, C to Z and so on. Then you have your number 1 to the left. This ABC is what we call the column heading, because Excel automatically works with column and our row. And our row heading is the number. Then on our name box, you will see the description here. The name box will tell you the active cell you are currently working on. If I click on any of the particular cell on your name box, it will tell you are working on column B of row 4. Indirectly, so our Excel is working with our column and our row. And all this alphabet and the number you were saying is on screen. If you print out, nothing will be there. It will be as plain as a sheet. But because Excel is for calculation, so that is why we call it on-screen guide. So any cell you click, the name box will tell you where I'm working on. Then this formula bar, as we could say, displays anything that is in a particular cell. It may be formula, it may be letter, it may be text. For instance, if I should write this on my formula bar, it will tell me that my name box B8 is having the word THIS. If I go to another place, nothing will show on the formula bar. If I input letter number, it will also show me the number that is there. That means on my B11, I'm having number 12. That is the work of the formula bar. Now let's come back to our sheet tab. As we see it, automatically Excel has 3 sheets, which is sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. But subsequently, you can add as many sheets as possible. Even this sheet 1, you can't use it finish because almost you have more than 12,000 numbers to use, more than 50 pages on sheet 1. So you have sheet 2, sheet 3, and you can have as many. And each of these sheets is being saved in one workbook. As we see our title bar, you will see the title bar there. It displays the current name you use to save your workbook. When you open an Excel, the Excel document is a workbook because it can have as many sheets. But each of your working area is called a worksheet. So each of your working area is, so all of the worksheets can be in a particular workbook. And this is our navigation button. We see it there. You move, when you click it, this is our navigation button for you to move up and down, to scroll, to move below from one sheet to the another. See, I'm on sheet 2 now. From the navigation button, I go to sheet 3. From the navigation button, I go to sheet 4. So that is our navigation button. So with all this, we also have our scroll bar. We have the vertical scroll bar. You can scroll up and down your page. As I'm doing right now, you use it to scroll up. You can continue to scroll down until you reach the end of your page, but bet me you'll be tired to do that. Then you have the horizontal scroll bar also. You scroll to the left and to the right side of your sheet. Don't forget that Excel uses sheets when it comes to work. So this is our sheet. So with this, we should be through with our description of Microsoft Excel homepage. By the time we move on in our class, we shall tell us how we can be using each one of them to do anything we want to do. And let me know that anywhere you are highlighted is your active cell. When I click on any of this, it's my active cell because it will highlight it for me. That's why it's called an active cell. I believe with this, we are through with the description of our home page.